Hi friends, in this video, I have created some questions which are of class 3 and which can be helpful for you in many exams and Olympiads. Okay? So before I start some of these questions, if you like my videos, please like, share and comment my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started. So the first question is, dash, that is the option, okay? Dash does not have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Okay, I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. Well, you can see some are sparrows, some are actually you can see crows, and there are different type of species of birds which are option A's, B, C and D. In this case, D is the correct answer. In this case, D is the three-toed woodpecker. Okay, and as the name suggests, it has only 3 toes. Others have 4 toes. Okay, so in this case, D is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Select the best method to preserve green peas for a longer period without much affecting their taste. Okay, I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. So as you can see in the options, option A is drying, option B is pickling, option C is gelling, option D freezing. Well, pickling actually changes its state, so B is would be wrong answer. Gelling also, it will change, so C also is wrong. Drying and freezing, in this case, both can be used, but to preserve it for a longer period and to make sure that taste does not change, answer would be D, freezing. Freezing is the most common way that we preserve foods. We also use it. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Siddhi grouped fibers obtained from similar types of source together, but she made an incorrect pair. Identify this incorrect pair. Okay, I am giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. So option A is option B, option C, or option D all contains fibers and it says incorrect pair. Let's see. Cotton is a stem natural fiber, jute is also stem natural fiber. That is means they both are plant fibers. Cotton is obtained from the seed and jute is obtained from the stem, but they are cotton fibers, that is natural fibers which are obtained from plants, so A would be wrong answer. Silk wood, well, in this case actually it is wool. Actually I have written by mistake, it is actually wool. In this case, silk and wool both are animal natural fibers, so B is also wrong option. C is nylon and polyester. They both are synthetic fibers made by man, so C is also wrong. D is the correct answer. Silk is a natural fiber and nylon is a man-made fiber. Synthetic fiber. Okay, so we have solved this question. Now let's move to the next question. Mohit and his friends were cycling down the street to attend a birthday party of Sanjay. Suddenly, one of his friends fell down and got badly hurt. He needs to see a doctor immediately. Which of the given symbols will help Mohit to find a doctor for his friend? Okay, I am giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. Well, of course, you should know that the hospital sign is of P. That is a plus sign. When there is a hospital nearby, you will get a plus sign. That is a black sign, there would be a red sign or a white sign and background would be red or white. In this case, P is the sign and so A is the correct answer. Q, R, S are wrong options. Okay, so let's move to the next question. A teacher needs to show her students that soil contains air. Which of the following should she do? Okay, so I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. So let's see. Actually, if you remember, there is an experiment. What we do, we take a beaker, we put soil in it, then we put some water in it, then we heat it gently, and then some air bubbles come out, and these are the air bubbles, and thus the soil contains air. So in this case, A is the answer. In this case, A is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. A group of stars that appear to form a pattern or shape in sky is called dash. Both dash and dash consisting of 7 main stars each are 2 examples of this. Select the correct option that fills the blanks in the above paragraph in the correct order. Okay, I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Time's up. What is the correct answer in this question? Well, the group of stars is called constellation, so of course C and D would be wrong options because it says satellite. Okay, C and D would be options that are wrong. Now A and B. Constellation, Great Bear Hunter. Constellation, D Hunter and D Orion. Well, what's the answer of this question? Look confusing, right? In this case, A and B contains the Hunter. We do know that Hunter contains of 7 main stars by this. We have to only decide that either Great Bear contains or the Orion contains. Well, actually Orion contains should be greater than 7 stars, so that's why in this case B would be the wrong option and A is the correct answer in this question. Constellation, Great Bear and the Hunter. Okay, let's move to the next question. Select the activity which will produce a different effect than the other 3. This is a little bit confusing one. I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. First is fitting wheels on the bottom of a box to be dragged. Actually, we are using a simple machine, that is a wheel, right? We are using a wheel and this makes our work easier. Okay. Second, putting oil in the hinges of a garage gate. It is also giving us the benefit that a garage gate has stucking, it is rusted. We are putting oil so that we get relief and our work become easier. That is, A and B are both giving us relief and is the solution. So A and B are common, so A and B will be wrong options. Tilting a cemented floor. Cemented floor will be tilting. When we are tilting, we are using a simple machine called an inclined plane. So it makes our work easier. So that's also it is helping us, so this is wrong. Replacing the laminated plastic board with cardboard for toy car racing. Cardboard is a rough surface and it makes our work more hard. So that's why D is different from other 3. And thus D is the answer. Okay, last question of the day. Sami uses dumbbell to exercise daily. Which body system are involved in bending and strengthening his arm? Okay, I'm giving you 10 seconds to answer this question. Okay, time's up. We do know that this is a muscle power, so muscles should be there. Digestive system does not have any role, so B is wrong. Excretory system has also no role, so A is wrong. Then reproductive system, this is nothing to do with it, so D is also wrong. In this case, C is the answer. Muscular, that are muscles, and skeletal, that are bones. So C is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're not satisfied with my videos, please tell me at my Twitter handle at DAG Education. Okay, and please tell me, it would be very helpful for you and I will be grateful to you. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.